Hi there, it's Tough Touring here, showing you our latest universal awning to rooftop tent brackets. They've got one job, two jobs: look good and be super strong. There's no bracket that we've made ever that is as strong or stronger than this one. Bolt straight up. This is what the kit looks like when you get it. It fits both single slotted and double slotted rooftop tents. This works with a majority of Chinese manufactured rooftop tents. Where you have a track or a slot, either the single track or a double track, all works pretty well. Now, step one is to remove latches from on this tent. The latches were on the sides, and there was also some pins here for the spring steel poles, which I've taken off. Now, coming over to the bench, on my bench here I have my bracket. I've assembled it with two temporary nuts and bolts here to hold the two parts together. So I've got this part, which is one of those. And then I've got the main triangle bracket, also separate, one of those. Our little T-nut set, which is a square nut with a 16mm high tensile M8 bolt and a washer. Now these get attached here as such. There's three along the big bracket and two on this one. Okay, I'm back. I've put the three bolts in. There you go, brackets in. Now this one here isn't going to slide because it's a triangle. So now that I've got it in, I want to get that fairly square and then tighten these up with my spanner. So I'm going to put the camera down and do that. Now the easy way to put this bracket on is actually to put the rear one in, swing it up till it lines up, and then mark, sorry, I'm very hard one-handed, mark your point where your other one goes. Important in that I haven't put the tent latches back on. On this corner, it doesn't matter too much because I've also got the other side off, which I'm going to show you now. With my latches back in place, at least slotted in, I can go about doing these up and refitting these as soon as I'm ready. So yeah, this is the rear driver's side of the roof tent, and in front of me I have our hook bracket. Now the hook bracket is quite unique. It stabilises the Polaris awning when you open it. It swings around and the last arm hooks onto this hook. It's quite revolutionary. We recommend you use it. It certainly adds a lot of strength to the whole setup when you're up. It's quite an easy bit. You just do the same. You put your nuts in and slide them straight into the bolt track here. Now this is all slotted, and the reason it's slotted is because a good quality canvas awning might set there on a wet weather day, and on a hot weather day it might be a bit further out, or just depending on where you live in the environment you live in, the humidity will affect the size of your awning. So we've sort of made this so you can adjust it on the fly if you want to. Now that, if I did those up, that would actually complete the bracket install for our tent, other than the front, which is identical to the method you use on the back. However, it is a reversed, obviously mirrored bracket. Looks the same. Now, I want to just reiterate with you guys, I haven't finished doing this one, but it's on, you understand. I've got to just bolt it all up. I have moved the latch across. I want to reiterate to you guys that while it may not seem necessary to use some parts of the bracket set, like you may say, I'll just use this one for the front, I won't bother with that one, or vice versa at the rear. The bracket set gets its structure and its rigidity and its strength from the complete set, so please don't just use parts of it. It's a great stiff setup once it's done. Here's a picture of the bracket installed. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.